Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tech, and today we'll be looking at the MediaTek Dimensity 920. We will be covering its complete performance, its speed, and its supported devices, and its supported cameras, chargers, etc. So let's get started. As you can see, the MediaTek Dimensity 920 is out, and it's out with a completely awesome features like 4K HDR video capture hardware. The MediaTek intelligent refresh rate displays at 120Hz refresh rate, Full HD plus displays, boosted gaming performance with the octa-core ARM Cortex S78 cores up to 2.5 GHz, and also they are using the ultra-fast LPDDR5 memory, and they will be using the UFS 3.1 storage. On the other hand, it is capable of 5G integrated modem that is using the 120 MHz spectrum. It is true dual 5G SIM standalone. Now let's talk about the exceptionally power efficient. The MediaTek chips and its array of the technologies inside are all optimized for exceptional power and efficiency. It means that they are using 6 nanometer chipset, which is more efficient and more faster. And they are also using the faster Wi-Fi 6. The faster Wi-Fi 6 gives the better signals, and a 2.2 antenna. Fully integrated connectivity give you compact platform and the better efficiency. Now let's talk about some overview of the MediaTek Dimensity 920. The powerful 5G smartphone with an intelligent display and an incredible 4K HDR capture. The MediaTek Dimensity 920 is designed to appeal smartphone users who have love cameras, big, bold, and fast displays. It also has the MediaTek Intelligent Refresh Rate. The MediaTek Intelligent Refresh Rate is it is the same refresh rate they are using. That means that they will be using the smart dynamic displays, so that you can choose from 1 to 120 Hz. The MediaTek Intelligent Refresh Rate is that the refresh rate is adjustable to 1 FPS to 120 Hz refresh rate in apps and animation, web pages, and in gaming also. Also, it is capable of 4K HDR video capture engine with a flagship level grade noise reduction. The Dimensity 920 incorporates a unique hardware-accelerated 4K HDR video recording engine. We will be covering that in the final video. It also supports the latest 108 megapixel camera among multi-camera arrays that can photograph 35% more details versus previous generation Dimensity chipset. It is also boosted in gaming performance because it is using the ARM Cortex S78 CPU's frequency up to 2.5 GHz, offering an exceptional performance for snapper app response, faster games, and a better connected experience. It is also using the ARM Mali G68 GPU, features the technology of a bigger G78 GPU, but with a design optimized for power efficiency, extended battery life even further for mobile games. The MediaTek Dimensity 920 offers up to 9% faster gaming performance over the Dimensity 900. It is also comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 920 also comes with the LPDDR5 RAM and a UFS 3.1 storage. Also comes with the LPDDR4X memory and the 2.2 UFS 2.2 storage, enabling them differentiate smartphone design based on the market performance expectation and price point. So that means if you are going to make a mid-ranger, then you can use LPDDR4X RAM and the UFS 2.2 storage. That will cost less and will be efficient for the user. And if you are going to make a better smartphone, then you can use the LPDDR5 with the USB 3.1 storage. It also comes with a 6nm chipset, so that means that is more power efficient than the other chipset. It also faster carrier aggregation. 5GC enables the high average speeds and seamless handover between two 5G connection across the cover layer. It is user use receive over 30% greater throughout layer coverage than the CA with 2CA covering the 120 MHz spectrum including max duplex. Now let's talk about the dual SIM technology. The MediaTek Dimensity 910 or 920 are also supporting the dual SIM 5G technology. It means you can enable 5G on both SIMs. Now, one of the most interesting things that it is this processor come with Wi-Fi 6. It is faster, efficient, and more reliable internet connection. It is also come with a HyperEngine 3.0 networking engine. So that means you got a better connection, you got a better mode for gaming, better read and write speed. Let's talk about the PUBG. So the PUBG also always depend on the upload speed, so means you will not get any 200 plus pings. Lol. So now let's talk about the complete specifications of the MediaTek Dimensity 920. The MediaTek Dimensity 920 uses the two Cortex. One Cortex is ARM Cortex A78. Of course, they are using the high performance cores, and the second type is ARM Cortex A55, which is power efficient cores. They are octa cores, and the CPU is 64-bit. The display, on the other hand, they are using the Full HD Plus display with a max refresh rate of 120 Hz, and it is AI accelerated, meaning it is dynamic, so you can choose from 1 to 120 Hz. The memory and storage they are using it is LPDDR4X and LPDDR5 as mentioned as UFS 2.1 and UFS 3.1. The graphics, on the other hand, they are using the Mali G68 MC4 graphics, which is new and which is more efficient and more powerful than other previous smartphones Dimensity chipsets. The connectivity, as we talk about the connectivity, they are using the Wi-Fi 6 and the Bluetooth 5.2. And the camera, on the other hand, their max camera setup will be 108 megapixel and 20 megapixel ultra wide or 20 megapixel telephoto. The max video capture resolution is up to 4K. It is also camera features hardware, video XDR, 3x XDR, ISP, and much more. So this also the end of the video. If you are enjoying my content, then do like and subscribe my videos, and please share with your friends. And hey, it's tech. Hey, it's tech. See ya in the next video.